What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new trading recap. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I exactly lost $300 on my eval. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I saw, let's go back to 9:30. The first thing I saw here was that we were low-key really bullish, except in my opinion, we had a bunch of gaps, so I'll get into why I shorted, but first let's go get a breakdown of the hourly. I saw hourly break there. We looked really bullish. There's a 4 hour inversion of a couple of gaps. So to be honest, it was extremely nice to take longs, and also considering we were close to all-time highs, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go and take those out. So as market opened, we had a pretty nice pump. So I mean, not much to say from that. However, I then saw the price was starting to give us bearish confluences, and the place where I should have taken a trade was exactly here. If I was going to take shorts just like this, targeting whatever, like 1 to 2, and then I would have had first take profit right here, which would have been a pretty nice trade to take. It would leave me off with a win for the day. However, that's really not how it went. As we see, I entered a little bit later than that because I hesitated. However, in doing so, I saw a bearish SMT form, as well as a bearish SMT between ES and NASDAQ, where ES was leading. A bearish break of structure, and then in 2 candlesticks, I got completely stopped out. To be honest, I associated like this moment with the previous one where we were, high pumping bullish price up. Obviously, we're gonna retrade. It's like, no, we're not. There's almost a 10 billion % chance, bro, that we're not gonna do the same thing as anything else any other day. So a good trade for us to would have take is like this one, and price ended up giving you like a 1-to-1, considerably like almost a 1-to-2. However, now with price retracing as it is, in my opinion, what I could have done better is also just maybe stay on the charts, or because right now we're printing bearish structure, which is what I originally considered. For me to take shorts, I think a great place to take shorts for the day was in this region where we had a break up, and then as soon as we broke down here, this would have been an amazing spot to take shorts. Considering we inversed. No, we didn't inverse the gap. However, we have multiple gaps to reach in order to push higher. That was just my thinking today and processing, because I like to think big moves require big retraces. However, today, with today's price action, I do have to reconsider that and trade with the bias.